Open Computer. Open Drive. Open the Windows folder. Find the System32 folder and open it. Click on Search and write dinput. Find the two files that have dinput 8 and copy these files. Paste them in your desktop. Now search for D3, D9. Select the first file and copy it and paste in your desktop. Select all the files, copy them, go to the game folder and paste the files in the game folder. Select GTA 5, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility. Check the option to run this program in compatibility mode. Click to show the options and choose Windows 7. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. Select Play GTA 5, right-click it, click on Properties, click on Compatibility, and choose the option to run this program as administrator, and do not check the option to run in compatibility mode. Click on Apply, click on OK. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open the GTA 5 folder. Select Settings, right-click it, and click on Delete. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.